Hello. Now what you want to do is you need to turn off the device in question, power it down. You need to have a PC or Mac with iTunes installed, and you need to have your USB cable, 30-pin or lightning, and that has to be connected to the USB port on your computer. Now you're going to grab your lightning cable in this case, you're going to hold down the home button and keep it held, and then insert the cable which is connected to the computer. Keep holding the home button before and during the insertion of the cable. Keep holding now and you'll be presented with the restore screen. In this case, this graphic is for iOS 9, so it's a bit multicolored, this iteration. Now you may have a red icon which is iOS 8, or you may have a blue which is iOS 7 and older. It doesn't matter which one you're presented with, they're all the same. And this process works on all of them regardless. Now if you pop over to your computer, you should see a window pop up now. If not, open up iTunes and you'll be presented with the option to restore or update. Now you want to restore the device. If you update, then it won't remove the passcodes. It will simply update the version of the software that you have. And when restoring the device, you're going to delete all of the data on the device, and that includes the passcode. Just confirm your option, restore and update, which will delete all your data and take you to the latest version of the software. Thank you so much.